Good day, viewers. Welcome to Steve Online Maths. Today we shall look at a calculation in probability. The question says, if a fair die and a coin are tossed together, find the probability of obtaining a head and 6. Second question says, a tail and an even number. So this question, before we can be able to answer it, we must draw a sample space for it to show the number of possible outcomes. If not, we cannot get this question solved. So to that effect, let's start solving it. Solution. We are going to draw a table where one side will contain the coin, the other side will contain the die. The table. Since we have this side will be coin, and under the coin we have two sides, two outcomes, which are the head and the tail. For this side we will go for the die. Under the die we have the numbers written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the numbers for the die. Now we start drawing our table. Extend this one, bring it down like this. Then at the first row, it could be that we got a head and 1. We write head, comma, 1. Second one, 2 and head, or head and 2, it will be head, comma, 2. For the third one, head and 3, to be head, comma, 3. For the fourth one, it will be head, comma, 4. I have head, comma, 5, head, comma, 6. For the tail now, to be tail, comma, 1, tail, comma, 2, tail, comma, 3, tail, comma, 4, and tail, comma, 5, tail, comma, 6. Now we have gotten our this is the possible outcome or the total outcome. These are the only outcome that you get when you throw a seed of Lido and a coin. Now, for us to get to write it out, we are going to write the possible outcome. Now will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, possible outcome, possible or total outcome is equals to 12. These are just possible outcomes. Now let's go to the question. The question says we should find the probability of obtaining a head and 6. A head and 6. If you watch, you come to your table, check wherever a head appeared and also 6 appeared. That is the required outcome or expected outcome. Now we go to this table, it appeared here, head and 6. But here appeared 6, but the head never appeared on this line, on this column. Because of that, on this row rather, because of that, we are going to use only this. This is the only place where head and 6 appeared. So now remember that formula for probability is equals to number of required outcome over number of total outcome. It will now be probability of obtaining head and 6. I will write PR head and 6 is going to be, because the thing existed just one place, it will be, the number of required outcome will be 1 over, what is our total outcome? 12. This is answer to the first question. The first question, this is answer 1 over 12. Now let's look at the second question. The second question say a tail and even number. You come for your tail, the roll for the tail. Check. Anywhere the tail appeared and an even number also appeared. What is an even number? Any number that is divisible by 2. Now it means that this one is inclusive. I will just do asterisk to mark the ones that are inclusive. This one falls in, this also falls in, and this particular one. These are the only places where we are having tail and at the same time having even number. Now it will be probability, that is II, probability of tail and even number is equal to number equals to, we are having how many here? 1, 2, 3. The required outcome is 3 over our total outcome, which is 12. So this is the answer to the question. Bye bye.